Jurassic World.
Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus was one of the largest dinosaurs that ever lived on Earth during the Jurassic period. Brontosaurus was a dinosaur that walked on all fours, had a long neck, long tail, and small head. Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus was a lightly built, bipedal predator, measuring 7.5 to 8 meters. It had thick horns above the eyes, a feature unseen in all other carnivorous dinosaurs, and a very deep skull sitting on a muscular neck. Carnotaurus was further characterized by small, vestigial forelimbs and long, slender hind limbs. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was an armored dinosaur that protected itself from predators. It belongs to the Dinosaur family. It was a herbivorous dinosaur that ate low plants. It lives in a warm forest environment. It has a pear-shaped head and protective armor plates. Spinosaurus was about 3 meters long and weighed between 1,000 and 3,000 kilograms.
Diplodocus.
Diplodocus is one of the longest dinosaur species ever to live on Earth. The long tail of Diplodocus can serve as a counterweight to its neck, and is able to whip the enemy with the tip of its tail. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus was one of the first sauropod dinosaurs. It lived about 210 million years ago. This dinosaur is believed to have been about 20 feet, 6.5 meters, long. The size of the femur is 75 centimeters. It is one of the first known sauropods to display aquadrupedal locomotion, i.e. locomotion on all fours. The straight and sturdy thigh bones suggest that Spinosaurus had long, straight, column-like legs. Baryonyx. Baryonyx is a genus of Spinosaurus. Baryonyx was smaller than this relative but was still a large predator. It is 10 meters long and 2.5 meters hip height. I had a long, narrow snout studded with conical teeth, a marked difference from the knife-shaped teeth of common invertebrate dinosaurs. Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus was a relatively large dinosaur, reaching up to 5.5 meters, 18 feet, long, weighing nearly 3 tons, and about 1.8 meters, 6 feet, high. Styracosaurus had 4 short legs and a large body. The tail is rather short. The skull had a beak and teeth arranged in a dental battery, indicating that this animal ate plants. Gigantspinosaurus. Gigantspinosaurus was a medium-sized dinosaur with large spikes on its shoulders. It also has a pair of small plates on its back and 4 spikes on its tail. The basic genome appears to be coffee brown with a pale belly and dark brown stripes. Gallimimus. Gallimimus was an intelligent hunting dinosaur with an ostrich-like body, duck-like beak and fast running. Gallimimus had no teeth. In fact, it has a very small head. It was probably one of the fastest dinosaurs, with ostrich-like speed, possibly running up to 30 miles per hour. With its small, toothless head, it is believed that Gallimimus may have eaten insects, small animals, eggs, and possibly even some plants. They had much longer necks than other theropod dinosaurs. Dilophosaurus. One of the physical uniqueness of Dilophosaurus is the presence of an air pocket on the top of its horn-like head. It is estimated that the air bag will help him to breathe as well as an attraction in finding a partner. Dilophosaurus can be regarded as a large, medium-sized meat-eating dinosaur. Its size is larger than an adult human. This ancient reptile has a body length of up to 6 meters and weighs up to 300 kilograms. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus was a carnivore with a large skull balanced by a long, heavy tail. Tyrannosaurus had strong and large hind limbs, while the forelimbs were short and had only 2 fingers. Tyrannosaurus is still one of the largest land predators ever discovered and is thought to have had the strongest bite of any land animal. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl were the first flying reptiles and the first vertebrates to successfully fly using their strong forelimbs to launch their bodies into the air. Their wings are formed by a flap of skin connected to the hand by an elongated fourth finger, not dissimilar to the fleshy wings of a bat. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus is a genus of large aquatic carnivorous lizard from the late Cretaceous around 70 to 66 million years ago. Mosasaurus means moose lizard, referring to the river near where it was first discovered. It ate prey such as seabirds, sharks, large fish, plesiosaurs and even other mosasaurs.
Thanks for watching.